Look at the Bank Nifty spot. The last 1 hour 15 minutes trade. I'm going for the live. Just observe the Bank Nifty. What I said. Simply the moment it takes out 38,377. There is a good up movement. The whatever I said that came to true. And it is firing Bank Nifty. It is moving up. There is a good chance of reaching 39,000 in coming days. It is a breakout, simply a breakout. You can consider Bank Nifty, and it is showing good upside moment. It is going good. The strict resistance was at 37,377. That has been taken out. It is good going. You can maintain long positions by keeping the stop loss at 38,000. So there is a good chance of reaching up to 39,000, maybe today or tomorrow. But the breakout happened. That is a good sign. We can expect more upside in the coming days. This is the Nifty spot. You can find Nifty spot. Look at the Nifty spot here. When I go for the Nifty spot, the hourly, simply it has gone for simple profit booking. Still upside is left. The good support is at 17,980 level or 970. 17,970 to 980. That is a good support zone for the Nifty spot. There is no problem for the bulls. You can maintain long calls on Nifty. The Bank Nifty, simple breakout. There is a good chance to go up. And Nifty breakout above 18,000, above 17,947. There is no problem for the bulls. Okay, intraday jugs are so common. Don't be afraid of that. Simply you can maintain long positions in Nifty also. It's keep going good. And Bank Nifty is performing good. Look at the Bank Nifty. And individual stocks also, simply you can find good stocks, but so many stocks they are going for the profit booking. Even Reliance, it has gone for the profit booking. That is one of the reason why the Nifty is down. Look at the Reliance. Simply you can go for the Reliance. When you look at the Reliance Industries, it has gone for the profit booking, and the morning session itself I said once it reaches 2720, there is a good possibility of facing some resistance over there, and whatever I specified, that is happening now, and almost it is in the profit booking. It is not a trend change, it is an uptrend only. A little bit of profit booking is so common, but only thing is higher levels you can find it once it it crosses 2720 only. Okay, yesterday I have given the target 20 in the last trading session. I have given the target of 2682 2720 zone. That zone has been reached, and there we found the profit booking. And be careful if you want to take the fresh positions. At this moment it is showing a downward momentum, and there is a good chance of finding the support at this level 2660. If that level is taken out, then only you can find downside. Otherwise, okay, no problem. But anyway, just a good support is a 2600 zone. That is a good support zone from the so many days we are finding the good support at the blue line here. It is keep on increasing. It is an uptrend, and no problem for the bulls if at all they entered earlier. But fresh entries will be somewhat dangerous. That is the reason avoid fresh entries in Reliance. Once you find some good support, then only can go for the fresh entries. Fresh shorts or longs, it will be somewhat dangerous. No momentum at all. Especially option buyers, don't look at Reliance at this moment. And in case of Bata also, whatever I said that happened in the morning session itself. I said after reaching 2000 there is a good chance of going for profit booking. That is happening. This is at the good support zone at this moment. 1972, 1970, that is a good support zone. It is trying to take the support at that level. If that is successful, taking the support at that level is successful, there is a good chance to go up. But fresh long positions are not at all recommended here. They are going to be question mark only. KSRF also, the good profit booking happened today after reaching our target 12,500. It is going for the profit booking. It's happening here, and it is at good support only. 12,000 level is the good support zone for the SRF also. But fresh longs, that is up to the risk of the trader. Okay, once the target has been reached, entering at that level in that direction, positive direction, is not at all recommended. And I have given the Bharat Forge also, just Bharat Forge. When you look at the Bharat Forge, just I have given the target of 790 level. It reached up to 792 level. This is the level I specified. Okay, it is a short of 1 rupee only. Simply it can reach that level, no problem at all. But what is there to enter at this level? Almost it has reached the target. No chance to go for fresh positions. Okay, simply at the maximum we can find up to 804. After that there is a good chance of going for the profit booking. Again you can enter the level at 764 level, 760, 764 level. That is a good level to take long positions so that you can find good profits. At this level almost it is reaching the resistance level. Okay, 790 to 800 zone is a good resistance zone for the Bharat Forge. Okay, good, it is going good. And at this level it is at 18,000 level. Nifty is at 18,000 level, and almost all the stocks they are at the high and overbought zone. Be careful. There may be a good momentum, but immediately there is a good chance of booking the profits also. It's a Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty is performing good. You can concentrate on Bank Nifty. That is going to give the good. It is a Bank Nifty. You can find it good going. Our lead is showing upside only. Simply there is a good chance of reaching the level up to 38,600 zone or 700 zone. There is a good chance of reaching that zone. Okay, in the Bank Nifty, by keeping the stop loss at 38,100 level hourly basis, you can go for the long positions up to 38,600 level. There is a good chance of finding the market to be closing positively. If market closes positively, look for the first hour of the trade in the next day to book your profits. You can carry the long calls because it is an uptrend. There is a good chance of finding the higher levels in the morning session itself, tomorrow morning session itself. In my experience I have seen that Look at the Reliance, it has ended at the level of 2670 zone. I said still some left out, something left out up to 2720 that happened today. And SRF good, and Bharat Forge also we reached our targets. It's good going, no problem at all. We all finding the good calls. And in case of Bandhan Bank also, I said 342 354 is the resistance zone. Today it has faced the resistance over there. And always you have to take long calls at support zone and exit your long calls at resistance zone after reaching the target. My trading style is like that. And here the chart pattern, what are the chart pattern showing that we are trying to follow. Here the intraday, I'm keeping the target of 38,600 is the 600 or 650 is the good zone where you can find profit booking in Bank Nifty. You can maintain long positions for the next, you can carry the long positions for the next day also, no problem at all. 39,000 is the ultimate target, 39,300, 200. By keeping the stop loss at 38,100 level, still there is a good chance of reaching the 39,000. And if everything is good, then you can find 40,000 level at the end of the month also. But ultimate target for the Bank Nifty or Nifty Spot, Bank Nifty Spot is at 40,000 level. And you can find it, but still there is no weakness in the market. It's keep going, no problem for the bulls. You can maintain your long positions. No need of exiting the long positions at this moment. I'm not expecting anything to be negative in the last hour also. There is a good thing to happen in the last hour. It's good going. Nowhere we are finding weakness in the market. It's good going, no problem at all. And there is a Nifty spot also. You can observe it. Already I said simply 17,947 or 980 zone is the good support zone hourly basis. Okay, simply still there is a good chance of going up, but in Nifty we are finding some weakness due to the profit booking in Reliance Industries. That is giving the major impact on Nifty moment. And the Bank Nifty, look at the HDFC Bank. We can find HDFC Bank. When I find HDFC Bank, so it is good going in the last hour also. There is a good possibility of going up only. Okay, the breakout happened in HDFC Bank also at 1635. The previous high was taken out. Daily chart, okay, weekly also it is at previous high. It is ready to take out that level monthly. If the breakout happens in HDFC Bank, there is no problem for the Nifty Bank spot here. Once 1644 level is taken out in HDFC Bank, there is a good chance to find 100 more points in HDFC Bank. There is no problem for that. If HDFC Bank performs good, HDFC, look at the HDFC also. Simply you can find HDFC. Okay, when you look at HDFC, it is also the performing good, and there is a good chance of reaching up to 2795 if that is that is to happen. If it is happening like going up to 2795, there is a good chance there will be movement in Nifty also, even though Reliance is not performing good. And Bank Nifty, Kotak Mahindra Bank, I can take Kotak Mahindra Bank. Look at the Kotak Mahindra Bank, there is a good possibility of reaching up to 2014. But it is not in uptrend or not in downtrend. It took the support at the 1950 zone, 1953, 31. This is a zone. It has taken the support. Good going, and we can expect positive in the market. Okay, the Reliance also, it has stopped falling at 2660. Okay, we are at the psychological resistance zone 18,000. We are above 18,000. Okay, there is a good chance of finding the good levels in Bank Nifty. I'm expecting good levels in Bank Nifty. If the Reliance is coming back, then only you can find good levels in Nifty. So let us look at hourly chart. Okay, NSE, the Nifty part it is. The support is at 17,980. Already I mentioned it. If that support, if it is holding that level, there is a good chance of going up. There is no chance to be down. I'm expecting up to be happening. Okay, now just it is don't look at the TCS at this moment. It is unable to maintain the level above 37.57, and don't look at the TCS at this moment. But there is a good support at 3640 level. 3640 level is the good support for the TCS, but it is not showing any up momentum. Anyway, just 18,000 is a good psychological resistance for anybody, not technical resistance. Still some upside to happen, I'm expecting. The Bank Nifty, I'm expecting Bank Nifty to perform good. In the last hour, I'm expecting Bank Nifty. There is a good chance of going up only. So let us wait what is going to happen. I'm expecting 600 zone. Look at Bharat Forge. It is Bharat Forge now. The maximum we are expecting up to 804. 804 is a strict resistance. In the next trading session, if it is open at exactly 804 or 805 level, we can go for the short by keeping the stop loss at 810. By keeping the stop loss at 810, you can go for the short in Bharat Forge the next day. I'm saying, not now. If it is opening above 804 or 805 exactly at that level, then only can go for the short. Okay, tomorrow will verify how it is going to behave. And now just we are finding the momentum. It is going to be at now it is at Bank Nifty. You can find NS Bank. We can carry forward our long calls for tomorrow. No problem. BTST can be done. Okay, there still we can find higher levels to happen. Okay, there is a good chance of finding the support at 38,000. 38,000 to 38,100. That is a good chance to find the support in Bank Nifty tomorrow also. Okay, let us verify where exactly it is going to close today. Weekly also it is showing upside, monthly also it is showing upside, no problem for the bulls. If you want to take fresh long calls on Bank Nifty, stop loss will be at 38,000 or below 38,000 for the target of 38,600 or 39,000. Look at buyer finance, can take buyer finance. When you look at buyer finance, it faced the resistance at 7904 or 7900 and took the support at 7750. By keeping the stop loss at 7700, we can look for the target of 8190 or 8200 level. The stop loss will be at 7700 and you can maintain your long calls up to 8150 or 8200 level. But profit booking is happening in the market. I think most of the stocks, most of the scripts, we are finding a little bit of profit booking, including Reliance also. We are finding some profit booking, SRF profit booking, and Bata also profit booking. We missed the momentum. Let us verify what is going to happen in the last half an hour. But most of the scripts we are finding a profit booking situation. Even in Reliance also profit booking. The profit booking is happening in Reliance. See, just Reliance, it is trading nearly 2660. There's the good chance of taking the support, but we need to check it. Hourly basis also, there is a good support at 2660. I'm expecting the Reliance has to come back by taking the support at 2660. If it is if it is going to happen, or if it is happening, then only we can find the Nifty to be going up. In most of the scripts we are finding profit booking situation. The downside is limited, don't go for the shorts. The weakness is not found in the market. It's still profit booking only. Most of the scripts, in most of the scripts we are finding the profit booking. Even in Tata Motors also we are finding profit booking, Bandhan Bank profit booking, and TCS, due to the results we face the problem. Market is good, no weakness in the market. Okay, already mentioned it, simply 17,980 zone is the good support zone. It is trying to find the support at that level, and Reliance also trying to take the support at 2660 level. Okay, we are expecting good up move. Okay, it is almost no weakness in the market actually. The hourly support we can find it here. 17,979. See, exactly it is taking the support over there. Still there is no weakness in the market. Hourly also weakness, we are not finding major weakness hourly. Maybe profit booking, to the profit booking we are finding, but at any time if it is started to fire again, we can find the previous high 18,041. There is a good chance to reach over there, minimum 18,021 in the last hour trade. Don't go for the shorts. As per my chart setup, there is no chance to go for the short. I'm expecting market to hold at this level and moving up, and I'm expecting bank nifty to perform good at the end. It has to reach up to 38,600 level. So let us wait and watch what is going to happen. Bajaj Finance is also doing good. So again, I'm going for Tata Steel. Look at the Tata Steel. When you go for Tata Steel, the strict resistance is at 1327. Already it has faced the resistance at 1327 as per our chart setup. If that level is taken out, then only can find good momentum up to 1344. It is a sideways market. It is not in uptrend or in the downtrend. Of course, as per the chart setup, it is a down momentum. Still sideways market, almost in sideways market. The weekly also is showing a little bit of upside, but still the resistance is at 1332. If that 1332 has been taken out, then we can find higher levels. If opening is above 1332, then we can expect more upside weekly, but no chance to that. But anyway, it is there is a good chance to reach up to 1332, then 1349. That is a good zone where it can stop. Monthly also you can observe it above 1329 only. You can find good moment up to 1400 level. As for the chart setup, it is showing good resistance at 1327. If it is above 1327, you can expect up to 1344 level. Okay, in our chart setup, we are not depending upon any of the trend lines or any of the complex things. We are finding good levels without using any trend lines or without applying any of the chart patterns. We have designed the pattern in such a manner that it is understandable and easy to maintain. At the same time, we can find good resistance zones, support zones, without thinking about any of the complex issues. It is a good going, and whatever the calls in the morning I have given, all the calls performed well. I given the target for the SRF as a 12,500, reach it. First target I have given 12,350 zone, then 12,500. Monthly also I said 12,500 is the good zone where we can come out. And in case of Reliance also, our expectations came true, and we reached 2720 exactly whatever the level I have given. And then Bata India also above 2000, there is a good possibility of going for profit booking. That happened today. And Nifty I said above 17,947, there is a good chance to reach up to 18,040 level. First already it has reached that level, and again still positive in case of Nifty. 18,000 is the simple psychological resistance only, I said earlier also. and there is a good chance of finding 18,340 in coming days. And in case of Bharat Forge, I have given the call. It can reach up to 794 level. Already it has reached up to 792, still going. The maximum it can go up to 804, 805. There you can reverse your positions also. Look at Jubilant Food in the morning. I have taken the Jubilant Food also. I talked about Jubilant Food, and it has reached up to 4110. Still, it is a sideways only. It has taken the resistance at 41412 initial resistance, but there is a good chance of reaching up to 4158 in case of Jubilant Food. Still, it is not in uptrend daily. Weekly, it is showing uptrend. It is earlier it took the support at 4015 level this week. There is a good chance of reaching up to 4134, no problem at all. Look at SRF, our favorite from the last 4 days. We were long on SRF. Today we reached our target 12,500, and then profit booking. I said there is a good chance to find the level 12,000. Again, we are finding the level 12,000. This is the level 11,911 or 12,000. That is a zone. There is a possibility of taking the support weekly. But still we can expect upside up to 13,000, but not immediately. But most of the scripts they are going for profit booking. That is the reason we are lacking the momentum, upside momentum in market. Most of them are doing that. And look at the Tata Steel. We can concentrate on Tata Steel. In case of Tata Steel, hourly, look at hourly chart. Yeah, hourly it is uptrend actually. Hourly it came into the uptrend zone. This hour is it is going to be uptrend only. For this hour, there is a possibility of reaching up to 1327 level. Hourly good support for the Nifty's part. Hourly good support is at 17,980. Then support is at 17,947. Already I mentioned it, above 17,947 you can hold your long calls. That is a hourly also, that is a good support zone actually. Okay, this is a good support zone. 17,945 is a good support zone for the hourly also. Okay, once it is going for the profit booking, there is a good chance of taking the good support at 17,980 level. It is quite natural when the psychological resistance has been reached. It is quite natural, but immediately market didn't act negatively. The little bit of profit booking what you are finding at this level, 18,000 level, and bank nifty also, it has reached the good resistance level, and that level has been taken out, 38,377 spot. I am talking about the spot, nifty spot and bank nifty spot. Generally is when they reaches the higher resistance levels, a little bit of less momentum upside, and profit booking is so common, but still there is a chance of reaching higher levels. But here the Reliance is not performing good in the last 1 hour. Look at the Tata Motors, good stock, good script to trade, and here we can find Tata Motors profit booking over, hourly profit booking is over. There is a good chance of taking the support at 410 and again reaching 420 and higher levels also. In coming days you can expect 446 in Tata Motors. Good performance and good going, and there is a good chance of reaching up to 446 also in coming days, no problem for the bulls at this moment. Okay, for 430 to 446 zone we can expect in the coming days. Look at the nifty spot. It is okay, already I said simply 17,947, 945. This is the zone we can expect good support to be taken, hourly good support to be taken. If it is taking the support at 17,445 level, there is a good chance to find upside again. A small script, 7C's entertainment. Look at this script here. Simply it is going up, monthly up. Okay, there is a good chance of reaching up to 25. It is not my recommendation. Uh, it is a script asked by one of the client. That's why I have taken this script. And there is a good chance to reach up to 25 first year. The first level we can reach, and we can maintain long calls in this script up to 25 first year. After once it is taken out, then the next level will be up to 45. We can reach up to 45 level once that is taken out. This is the monthly chart of the script here. There is a good chance to reach first to 25. Then that level is taken out. There is a good chance to take out that level. Then we can find up to 45 level immediately. It is a monthly, I am saying monthly view. It is a good upside. Weekly also it is showing upside only, and daily also it is upside. Okay, it's there may be a chance of finding higher levels. And the Maruti also, let us go through the Maruti. Look at Maruti, just daily, in the daily chart we reached our target 7700, and weekly also we are finding good up movement. Immediately there is a good chance to reach up to 8000. Once 8000 is taken out, you can find up to 8300. The maximum level what you are expecting at this moment is 8300. If 8300 is taken out, then only can find higher levels, but not immediately. But good chance to break the level 8329. If 8329 is taken out, then there is a good chance of finding the higher levels, previous higher levels. It may take time, but it is an uptrend only, completely monthly uptrend. The weekly also it is an uptrend, and the daily also it is showing uptrend. You can expect immediate level is at 8000, then 8300 levels. Adani Enterprise, if you look at Adani Enterprise, after reaching 1569, it has faced the resistance. It is an uptrend only, but it has faced the resistance at 1569. If 1569 is taken out, then there is a good chance of reaching up to 1600. Immediately we can find the level up to 1600 in the monthly sideways market. If the 1600 is taken out, any day closing above 1600 may reach up to 1717 again. But it is a sideways market only. Monthly, the stop loss, it is not the stop loss, the good support is at 1342. If it reaches 1342 at any moment, we can take the long positions for the target of 1717. But it is a monthly sideways. Immediately we can expect up to 1600 or 1628 level. Yeah, just UPL. The UPL, you can maintain the UPL once it is above 746 level. There is a good chance of reaching 772 in the daily basis, and weekly also it is in the sideways market. 772 is the ultimate target immediately, and monthly also there is a good chance to reach up to 7 770 or 772, that is the target. Immediately you are not expecting more higher side. 772, after 772 only we can think about the higher levels. But if it is closing above 746, then there is a good chance of reaching 772. Otherwise we need to take the positions at 730 and wait for the target of 772. Laris Lab, it has there is a chance of taking the support at 579 580 level, whereas at this moment it is not showing any upside, monthly upside. After reaching the 580 level only we can expect upside to be resumed. There is a good chance of taking the support at 580 level or 490 level. Then only you can look for the next level to be reached. Good, you can we can maintain the long positions, but it is not completely uptrend. It will take time to reach the targets. The monthly target this month is going to be up to 664. If that level is taken out, then only you can find 723. It is not in uptrend. It is in the sideways at this moment. After taking the support at 580, then only you can find the level up to 723 level again. Yeah, the level lemon tree immediately the immediate target is 65. If the 65 is taken out, then we can find up to 80 or 90 level. There is a good chance of going over there. There is no problem for the lemon tree, but good level to enter is at 46 to 50 zone, and monthly also uptrend, weekly also it is an uptrend, daily also it is an uptrend. There is a good chance of finding the level 80 in coming days. The immediate target is 65. After taking the total 65 out, then there is a good chance to reach up to 80 or 90. See, Bandhan Bank, already I mentioned it, there is a strong resistance at 343 to 354. Already it has faced the resistance over there. If that resistance is taken out, then only can find the upside. It will take time to resume the upside. At this moment, the maximum level is 354 only, not more than that. A strict resistance at that zone. That is the reason it will take time. Monthly I am saying is a monthly chart downtrend, actually sideways, downtrend sideways market. That is the reason we cannot expect much more upside in the next market move. Only we can expect upside. The maximum 354 we can expect at this moment. CDSL, it is good to hold. There is a good chance of reaching the level 1579. At present it is at 1384. There is a good chance to reach. The first level is going to be 1418. Once that is taken out, then there is a good chance to go up to 1579 previous highs. And daily good, no problem. Immediately you can find up to 1440 zone. Weekly also 1440 zone. Once that level, suddenly it can take out that level. There is a good chance to reach up to 1580 zone in coming days. Okay, it is MRF. Actually, it took the support at 78,566. Once it took the support at 78,566 and faced the resistance at 87,549. It is in sideways market, but once 87,550 has been taken out, then there is a good chance of reaching 98,599. No problem for the bulls. And the stop loss is at 75,000 level. Monthly good, no problem. Daily also it is showing upside, and weekly also it is showing good upside, but face the resistance at 87,550 zone. If that level is taken out, then only can find good upside. One more big bar you can expect, and it is better to enter at the level 84,000 to 82,000 level. Look at the Bharat Forge. Just I recommended this in the morning stream also. Simply, you can find the level. Already I mentioned it. There is a good chance of reaching up to 804 level, and already 794. The first target I have given as 792, 794 zone. Already we have reached the 792, 794 zone, and there is a good chance to reach up to 804 level. It is showing upside. There is a good chance of reaching up to 804, but at 804 you can find strict resistance. And again, if there is a profit booking, tomorrow, at the end of the tomorrow's market, you can go for the long again. It is good going, and there is a possibility of reaching the 804. No problem for the bulls, but immediately we cannot expect the higher levels. Once it reaches 804, there is a possibility of finding the profit booking. In the next move, there is a good chance to reach up to 8044 zone, but 804 is the immediate target. We can find 804 is the immediate target. Today's last hour is almost a profit booking only. It is not the trend reversal, it is a simple profit booking, I think. In each and every script, you are finding the profit booking. The market trend is positive, there no problem. Market complete trend is positive, and already the levels have been taken out. There is a good chance of finding the higher levels in the coming 2-3 days, no problem at all for the market. It's going good. The profit booking in each and every script, we are finding the profit booking. Even due to the reliance only, we are finding the nifty. The nifty has been dragged due to the reliance. Not only reliance, almost we are finding the profit booking at psychological resistance 18,000. And I said 18,000 is a psychological resistance. Being a human being, we need to respect the psychological feelings also. And technically it is not the good level to find the profit booking. After reaching 18,340 only you can find profit booking. Anyway, just we have to respect the market, the good profit booking at this moment. Look at the bank nifty spot. You can find bank nifty spot also in this bank. So there is a good chance of going up. And look at the G Entertainment. Above 306, there is a good chance of finding the level 362 again. We can maintain long positions in G Entertainment. If it is above 306, then only can find level up to 364. The stop loss is a big stop loss if you enter the long positions at this moment. 283 is the stop loss, 280 is the stop loss, and there is a good chance of reaching up to 339. Above 306 you can find the level up to 339. So look at the Tata Steel. You can find Tata Steel levels. So here I said simply the strict resistance is at 1329. Daily chart also I said 1327.29. That is the zone where it faces the resistance. Is a sideways market. There is no up movement in this. Okay, once the script comes under the up movement, then only you have to enter the long position so that you can get returns immediately. The script may be good. Every good script has to undergo some consolidation. We have to wait until it reaches the upside momentum. Once it is an upside momentum, then only you have to enter into the stock. The sideways market is for only option writers. Okay, if you are going for investment, then you can go for sideways market, but we have to wait. If a market is in positive trend, then we have to find some scripts which are in good positive momentum. Okay, generally I consider to take the scripts which are in upward momentum when the market is good. Yeah, what I am doing is I can reach my targets within one day. I am not going to take much more time. Sometimes 2 to 5 days duration only. Is the market we have to bear the risk. Subject to the market risk, we can go for the calls, but maximum we are taking the care and we are giving the calls free of cost. And you can follow the live stream for the commodities and cryptocurrency also. We are ready to provide all those things. And the chart, we are having the good strategies. We are exposing those strategies, and we are giving the calls to the public. We are not giving the calls to the clients. The completely those who are interested to take the calls, they can follow us, and here each and everything is provided free of cost. It is for the sake of public only we are giving. Just observe the calls and take the trades, benefit out of it. A little bit of profit booking only, no problem for the bulls at this moment. Still you can expect the level of 8,000 18,130 to 140 zone, by keeping the stop loss at 17,900 zone. And hourly also I said simply there is a good possibility of taking the support at 17,945 zone, and in between 17,908 900 to 17,940 we can find good support. At the maximum downside can be restricted up to 17,880 zone. Be careful, and you can maintain long calls, no problem at all. And we are going to provide the live stream every day, morning 9:30 to 12:30, then 1:30 to 2:30, 3:30. Every day the live stream will be carried out. If the market momentum is good, then we can continue that live stream. Otherwise 9:30 to 12 or 12:30, then 1:30 to 3:30. Hourly I said Nifty spot can take the support at 17,945 zone. It is trading around 17,940. Then you can expect the upside to be resumed. It is a good profit booking day. It is just profit booking only, not trend reversal or price reversal. Just it is a profit booking day. Just profit booking happened at psychological level 18,000, but longer time we were above the 18,000 due to TCS and Reliance only. We faced the problem in the Nifty. Bank Nifty also performed well. Okay, we are expecting good higher levels in coming days. You can follow us on Twitter and Facebook also, and WhatsApp number also given. WhatsApp number, just you can message us for advice. Thank you for following our live stream. Thank you all. Have a good day.